Hi, Dave Liguori here, Bay Area Pervious Concrete. We're in Walnut Creek, California at a nursing facility. Very busy parking lot, patients and employees coming in and out all day long. We installed this pavement 3 years ago and we're here to do the 3-year review. Now, if you've been to my presentations or looked at my educational material, you know I talk a lot about the difference between what I call hybrid systems, where you have asphalt and pervious concrete in the same parking lot, and the asphalt drains into the pervious concrete and the problems associated with that, versus an application like this, which is curb to curb pervious concrete. So there's no water running on. So when you have asphalt draining onto pervious concrete, it brings all the debris, all the sediment, all the contaminants, as well as the asphalt fines that wear off on the asphalt into the pervious concrete, increases maintenance considerably and decreases performance considerably, versus what we're going to see here. This pavement has never been vacuumed or swept. They just blow it off occasionally. So this is pretty much how it is. We're going to do a water test right over here in the pavement and see how the infiltration rate of the pavement is working. Let's take a look. Okay, I've got a bucket of water here, and we're going to pour about 1.5 gallons onto the pavement and see what happens. Let's try a different spot. And again. That was beautiful. The water more or less disappears instantly. If I was to actually do the ASTM test and measure that, it's going to be well over 500 or 600 inches per hour, which is about what it was when it was new. So I see no decrease in performance of this pavement after 3 years with very, very little maintenance. This is a good design. It was installed well, obviously. It looks good. It's performing well. Another successful project for us and for Pervious Concrete. Thanks for joining us. Look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye.